So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Digital Circuit week 4th assignment 4th. So, the first question is the Boolean expression A bar B plus A B bar plus AB is equivalent to. So, these are the option and the answer of our first question is A plus B. Now, the second question is the input of a logic gate is A equal to 1100 and B equal to 1010. What will be the output if the logic gate is NAND gate? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is B 0111. Now the third question is the combinational circuit implementation of the following Boolean function f of a comma b comma c is equal to summation of 1 to 47. So these are the circuit and the answer of our third question is A. Now the fourth question is for following logic diagram which expression is true. So this is our logic diagram and the answer of our fourth question is B. Now the fifth question is the output of the logic gate in the figure below is. So this is our logic gate and the answer of our fifth question is D. A bar. Now the ninth question is the number of inputs and outputs in a half adder circuit are. So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is D. 2 and 2. Now the seventh question is the output Y in the circuit below is always 1. When? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is A. 2 or more of the input P, Q, R are 0. Now the eighth question is in the circuit shown in the figure, if C equal to 0, the expression for Y is. So this is our circuit and the answer of our eighth question is A. Y is equal to AB dash plus A dash B. Now the ninth question is in the figure shown the output Y is required to be Y equal to A dot B plus C bar D bar. The gates G1 and G2 must be respectively. So the answer of our ninth question is A, nor or. Now the 10th question is what is the primary cause of glitches in digital circuit? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is B, variation in gate delays due to process variation. Now the 11th question is the output Y of the logic circuit given below is. So this is our logic gate and the answer of our 11th question is A. Now the 12th question is there are two logic gates and identify the logic operations performed by the given circuit. So these are the logic gates option and the answer of our 12th question is D. NAND gate, NOR gate. Now the 13th question is the Boolean function y is equal to AB plus CD is to be realized using only two input NAND gates. The minimum number of gates required is. So these are the option and the answer of our 13th question is B, 3. Now the 14th question is which of the following Boolean expression correctly represent the relation between P, Q, R and Y? So the answer of our 14th question is D. Now the 15th question is which of the following items terms refer to the maximum amount of unwanted voltage noise that can be present at the input of a digital logic gate without causing a change in its output logic level. So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is A, noise margin. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.